Here we go. Example 3, 11.1. And once again, this is not the example 3 that you see written in the book, but it is the video tutorial, but my video, I'm doing it. There you go. Okay, so the radius of a wheel on a toy truck is 4 inches. So let me get my annotations. And we have a wheel. It says that its radius is 4 inches. So from the very center of this wheel to some part of the wheel, we have a radius, and that is 4 inches. 4 inches. Okay, the nearest foot. Pay attention. Foot, not inches. To the nearest foot. How far does the wheel travel when it moves 7 revolutions? So what we need to do is find its circumference first. We need to find its circumference, and every time for each revolution, that's how far that wheel went, whatever the circumference is. So we need to find the circumference first. And circumference equals 2 pi r. We have r. So the circumference equals 2 pi times 4 inches. All right. So that gives us 8. 2 times 4 is 8. And 8 times pi. So 8 pi equals 25.13 inches. That is not my answer though, okay? It's going to travel 7 revolutions. So we're gonna multiply that by 7. Okay, so let's do 7 times 25.13 inches times 7. And that's approximately 176 inches. That is still not my answer because it's in inches. It wants us to the nearest foot. So we have to change it to feet. In order to do that, 160 inches or 176 inches. Now, how many inches are in a foot? 12 inches. So I'm going to multiply this number 1 foot for every 12 inches, right? This way, my inches will cancel out. And now I just do 176 divided by 12, and I'm left with approximately 14.7. Well, it says round to the nearest foot, so we'll round it to 15. 15 feet. That's my answer. That is how far that wheel traveled. Don't you just feel smart? I just feel so much smarter now. I did that all on my own.